So I've been living in Farm Drive for almost 4 years now. What I like about the society is number one, the open spaces. It's vast, feels like a mini resort. Lots of greenery, great for children, wonderful for children and little kids. Maybe they could have a little clinic or a mini hospital inside because the society is large enough. You have good road connectivity, connected to Sona Road, connected to Jaipur Road, the SPR. Quality of construction is an issue. There is some seepage. And overall quality of reflection, well, as I said, it's done. There's nothing much that can be done about it now, but it doesn't fit the profile of this society. Otherwise, it's a pretty top-end place.
I am putting up in the Palm Drive of MR Estates, and I am putting up here since 10 years. Vibe of the society is very, very positive, very compassionate people. The traffic is very well managed by the security team here. We never ever come across with any kind of traffic hazard towards this particular place in front of the society. RWA is very, very active in all those segments. I would say कि उनका हमेशा जो preference रहता है for the safety of the kids, to safety to the elders, even greenery, even I would say horticultures, they'll be always very proactive in certain things. And definitely after staying back this 10 years, I would say I never thought of any better place comparative to Palm Drive. There is always scope of improvement, I would say. Infrastructure is very good, but while seeing the same things over in years, we always need some, it's a little repetitive thing. So now we need some improvement in the alleyways, in the courtyard. So that kind of some infrastructure changes and some activity changes we'll be needing.
Living in this society from 2019, it's been more than 6 years for us now. The good thing about the society that yes, we have all the facilities in the society. We have a salon, we have tailor, we have badminton court, we have swimming pool for the kids, we have theatre, everything. Things to be better is maybe the play area for the kids, which I believe we do not have the sufficient play areas like swings, slides for the kids which are less than 5-6 years. So that is one thing which we can improve on. And other than that, security is really nice. Like they always check the visitors and also the health. So in terms of the security, I would suggest that it's a very good society. We have a very good maintenance of the lift. I have never seen any issue in the sense that we are suffering because lift is not working. Construction quality, say Emaar, it was not as comparable to Dubai for sure. But I think when you are taking the interior designing of the house you are doing, then I think you have to take care of the seepage. Right now, luckily, we do not have any seepage in our house at least, but maybe in some of the houses there is a complaint. So not in the society as a whole, but maybe in few flats. The reason is that because now it's a whole society, and in the recent new launches in the upcoming luxury society, you have interiors and everything very luxurious, right? So here, like we do not have the pavement area, or when you enter the society, it's not a huge lounge or the reception area. So these things that can be improved on.
यहाँ मैं करीब 5 साल हो गया हमको यहाँ रहते हुए. ये जो पाम ड्राइव सोसाइटी है, ये बहुत ही नीट एंड क्लीन, वेल प्लान्ड, और इन ऑल रिस्पेक्ट इट इज़ वन ऑफ द बेस्ट सोसाइटी इन गुड़गांव, क्योंकि यहाँ सिक्योरिटी बहुत अच्छा है और एम्बियंस अच्छा नहीं बल्कि बहुत ही अच्छा है. यहाँ जो गार्डन है, बच्चों के खेलने के लिए जगह है, और इवन हर एक एज के लोगों के लिए यहाँ पर टाइम पास करना, बैठना, उठना, क्लब एक्टिविटीज़, स्विमिंग पूल, मार्केट, ये सभी फैसिलिटीज़ इस पाम ड्राइव सोसाइटी में है. या घरों में जो पानी आता है वो अच्छा पानी आता है. 24 आवर्स वाटर सप्लाई है. इलेक्ट्रिसिटी का भी कोई प्रॉब्लम इमीडिएटली जो इनका बैकअप प्रोसीजर है वो स्टार्ट हो जाता है, और विद इन 3 मिनट्स हमको लाइट फिर से मिल जाती है. जो अप्रोच रोड है रोड कोर्स एक्सटेंशन का, वहाँ पे हमको थोड़ा तकलीफ होता है. अगर वहाँ पे अगर कुछ बेटर सिग्नल प्रोसेस या हो तो ज़्यादा अच्छा है.